Hello, welcome back. So we just saw the implementation of introspection and how we can use it with opaque tokens. So we are going to be looking at the revoking of tokens, more like revoking the authority that has been handed over to someone. Okay, so we take a look at what we have here from our introspect call to this particular for this particular token. So at first we have the active status, and this active status is simply true. Now, if we are to revoke a token, it implies that that token is pretty much invalid, is no longer valid. Okay, it means that we invalidate the token and the token cannot be used to access any more resource in our application. So how do we achieve that? So simply, with everything we have done so far, we just have to just tab up a little. That's just to copy the same thing, pass in the same credentials, which is client underscore 2 and secret underscore 2 for the particular client that is implementing this logic of revoking tokens. And then we pass in our token as the normal form, which is URL encoded. And instead of the introspect endpoint, we are going to be sending this request to the OAuth2 revoke endpoint. So let's see. So we are just simply changing introspect to revoke, and then I'll send. So you discover that we pretty much do not have any other details back. So you just send the request with the token, and if I'm to send an introspect with that token again, if I'm to send an introspect request with that same token, you discover that the active status this time around is false. Okay, so it's pretty much just straightforward. It's the same way you send requests to the introspect endpoint with the token is exactly how you do it with the revoke endpoint. And you see that we no longer have details of this particular caller again. All we just have is the active status of this token is false, so therefore the token is invalid. Okay, so pretty much this is just a short video on the revoking of tokens. It's not as long as what we previously had, but then again, yeah, so you just have to know how to revoke tokens when it comes to OAuth2. So in the next video, we'll be looking at how to persist our clients from the database. So we're going to be creating an endpoint where we'll be able to send the post request to create a new client for our authorization server. Okay, peace out, and until the next one, keep being your best self. I remain your goals.